Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a simple Java application and packaging it into a jar, Java archive, file. A jar file is a file format used for aggregating many files into one. It is typically used to package Java classes and associated metadata and resources, like images or configuration files, into a single file for distribution. Part 1, create a simple Java application. 1. Set up your development environment. Make sure you have the Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. You can download it from Oracle's official website, https://www.oracle.com/java/jdk11-downloads.html, or install it via a package manager, depending on your operating system. 2. Create a Java file. Create a new directory for your project, and inside that directory, create a file named helloworld.java. Part 2, compile the Java file. 3. Open a terminal/command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your helloworld.java file is located. 4. Compile the Java file. Use the javac command to compile your Java file. This will generate a helloworld.class file. Part 3, create a manifest file. 5. Create a manifest file. Create a text file named manifest.mf in the same directory. This file will specify the entry point of your application. Make sure there is a new line at the end of this file. Part 4, package the application into a jar file. 6. Create the jar file. Use the jar command to package your compiled class and the manifest file into a jar file. The command below creates a jar file named helloworld.jar. Part 5, run the jar file. 7. Run your jar file. You can run the jar file using the java jar command. You should see the output. Example directory structure. After completing the above steps, your directory structure should look like this. Additional notes. Including additional files, if your application depends on additional resources, like images or configuration files, you can include them in the jar file as well. Just add them to the jar command. Packaging libraries. If your application uses external libraries, you may need to include them in the class path when running your jar or package them into the jar, using tools like Maven or Gradle. IDE support. Most integrated development environments, IDEs, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse have built-in support for creating jar files, which can simplify the process. Conclusion. You have successfully created a simple Java application and packaged it into a jar file. You can now distribute your jar file, and others can run it on any machine that has the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, installed.